Hello everyone, welcome to yet another video series of electromagnetic fields. So in today's video, we have a group of students with me. So let me introduce everyone. We have Arizon, Lakshika and Gurudevan and Darnish with us. So we have this group of students. With these students, we are going to discuss about a case study on electromagnetic fields. So what are we going to discuss today?
We are going to discuss about the electrostatic fields. In that, I am going to discuss about the electrostatic discharge.
So we are going to discuss about electrostatic discharge with a case study. So first, before going into the case study video, let us have a deeper understanding about what is meant by electrostatic discharge. So can you explain me about what is meant by electrostatic discharge?
Electrostatic discharge is a sudden charge between two objects. Two objects with different potentials often cause effects. And for example, while we walking on the carpet, metal, we will touch the metal. So, like when we are walking in the carpet, it may cause a electrostatic discharge. EST is a serious issue because it is even a small discharge and can damage the sensitive components.
So a good example for electrostatic discharge is thunderstorms, which is a natural way of discharging the charges, which is a good example for ESC. Yeah. Now, what is the actual case study we are going to discuss today in regards to ESC?
So in regards to ESC, so the main example I have taken is mobile manufacturing companies like Samsung, Apple, Electro, all these things. I would like to ask everyone that to create a mobile or to make a mobile, what are the components required? Can you tell?
CPU,
Batteries.
We need batteries, CPUs,
GPUs, cameras, sensors, and all those stuff. We need like this. So to integrate in a module or in a phone, we need a very large scale integration. Through like microchips, sensors and integrate circuits. We need to integrate all these in one thing. Due to this, a lot of malfunctions can happen, like sensitivity and all those disturbance and all those stuff could happen. For that, ESC is responsible, which is electrostatic discharge. How ESC affects all these components? It will mainly focus on sensitive components like microchips and sensors. It can damage it. So the function of ESC is it will release static electricity, which would nearly destroy or permanently damage those sensors and chips, which could also lead to short circuits, immediate effects, and a lot of failures, or else permanent damage also could happen. So this is a really drastic step to create a phone. Due to this, there's a lot of productivity issues, yields are less. Also it doesn't satisfy the customer needs. They would usually come to the shop to make it, to repair it and all those things, and once again the thing will repeat. So for the solution, I want Danish to continue it.
So the problem here is due to electrostatic discharge, the mobile manufacturing companies are facing a lot of problems. Now, how can we rectify this problem? How can you give a solution to this problem?
we can install ionization devices across the production line. So it could reduce the ESD damages. How it works? So ionizer devices works. So it could produces positive and negative charges and neutralizes the outer surface charges. So this would helps to reduce the ESD damages, and this also applied in biomedical applications, so electronic devices, and also
Here?
we can install ionization device.
So ionization devices can make this discharge, nullify this discharge, so thereby we can see the electrostatic field inside the device only, even here, because every component requires electrostatic field to operate. So these ionization devices will nullify the discharge between the other neighboring devices, so that the impact of these damages will get reduced. So Now let's have a conclusion about this case study topic. Gurudevan, can you conclude?
At the end of the conclusion, this case study highlights the how to understanding and managing the electrostatic field is a electrostatic field
By manufacturing industries, and we have finally come up with a solution of how to make this discharge become zero through this ionization devices. So I hope through this case study video we had a good understanding about this electrostatic discharge and what is its greatest impact in these manufacturing companies. So hope we meet in the next video in next case study. Thank you.